Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Selina binti Abdullah with NOT Matric 254394 and my supervisor is Dr. Hapinia Wang and my lecturer is Professor Madya Dr. Fauzia binti Baharum. And I will present about interface for low fidelity prototype of sistem bersepadu penarafan kecemerlangan penjabat pendidikan daerah Cameron Highland. So now the screen show the prototype of interface for system. So now we can see here this is the login panel. We will insert the user information and we will click login, and now it will bring you to the home page for the system. And next you will click on manage user. So it will display the register panel and we click in all the information for the user and we will choose the position and we click add button and we will successfully add a new user. So now we will show how to remove a user. So here example we click on the Selina for remove a user. We click at the remove button. So you will successfully delete. So next we go to the manage document. This is the page for the manage document. So for first we need to click on the document to view a document. And next to add a comment, we can see here we have a add comment button. After we press, it will pop up. It will highlight the comment part and we just type in any kind of comment and we click at the comment button and it will successfully update. So next we will go to the endorse submission. So only admin can endorse the submission. So first we will choose the document. So we choose the document to submit. We will click at this button. And then we will pop out either we want to approve or disapprove. So we click approve button. So the document will be approved, will pop up at the up. And it will display a tick icon. And for the document that disapproved, it will pop out the X icon. So next, we log out from the system. Before that, after we approve, we endorse the document will automatically log form. So the other user cannot view the document anymore. While if we disapprove the document will not be logged. So that's all. So next we log out. We will go back to the main page for the login panel. So now we insert another user. And this user is just a PPD officer. So now we go to the manage document for a PPDCH officer. So it will list out all the documents that been uploaded before. So we can see here the color lighted is mean the document have been approved or disapproved. And the document that color a bit dark is not been approved yet, is still pending. So now we show how to attach to upload a file. We click on the attach file button and it will redirect you to the device. You can select a document and then we will upload to the system and we click done. So it will be successfully updated like here. It's here. The new document will be pending for view. So to remove a document, we just click on the remove button and will be successfully deleted. So that's all. We log out and we go back to the main page. So thank you.